is Kataragama Deviyo in Sri Lanka, in Kataragama city. As you guys can see, me and my family with my cousins went to this temple in Kataragama, and it's called Kataragama Deviyo. And now, as you guys can see, just as we come across this huge river. It is called the Gem River, or in Sinhala in Sri Lanka we call Manika. As you guys can see, my mother just zoomed in, and you can see a lot of fish. They are not scared for us. We can feed them like a popcorn kind of foods. Some people even go through this. And at the rainy season, for the second story about the stairs, it fills up. So how deep could it be? And in the rainy season, as you can see the board right there, crocodiles can be also be crawling under the water. Now you can see that my father just ordered as we can say in Sinhala, it's called puja vattiya, but in English we can call it as a tray, a fruit tray. We use it to use it for blessing of gods and do some Sri Lankan rituals. This is some of the Asian things, and that's Lord Buddha's food. As there are some stories based on Lord Buddha's foods are not as ordinary as ours. This is where the monks stay, and those are some people that dance. These people work so hard to earn money that they have to walk across barefoot to the temple about 2-3 kilometers just to reach the temple and the pagoda. Now this is the Vishnu temple. This is just a quick zooming through the way that we went. Now we are inside the temple, waiting till the turn comes. This is the Kavali dance that we experience every day. This Kavali dance is every time happening. About 2 hours, everywhere they are walking, dancing with those kind of instruments. Those are not actually instruments. They are not even costumes. They are just, we can call it as a clothing instrument. This is Kiriwehera, the pagoda located in Kataragama. It is in the same place. You can also do the blessing of elephants, as in ancient Sri Lanka they say that elephants are also used for blessings. Elephants are cute. As you walk by the pavements, you can see lots and lots of fruits, flowers that you can bless for the gods. There are some more fruits and some more bottles and some water bottles. You can also use for blessings. And this is some of this white color flower is one of the most expensive flowers. And it's more better in using to blessing. These are some medicinal plants, or as in Sinhala we can call Vedda. And those are some roses. More than roses, lotus flowers are better to use for blessings. But just for the beautifulness, we use roses, red and pink and even white. This is the pagoda. As you can see, we have to walk about 4 kilometers. Now we are in the museum. As the museum was closed when we just come to see, So as it was closed, we were just taking a walk around the museum. Now this is the one that we showed you before, the river, the Gem River. As I told, this is Udawala, Sri Lanka. You must visit this place, the dam. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe please.